It seems that it was only last year where we found ourselves in the exact same spot that we find ourselves in now. Time is not linear. And it seems that the cycles of life, every day after day, week after week, month after month, and year after year, make us want to pause and reevaluate life. For us as Muslims, Ramadan is that time of pause. It's the time to take a break, to think about the busyness of life, and to set aside time for prayer, fasting, worship, and charity. We strive for ihsan, spiritual excellence, in this month. We know that on the Day of Judgment, when we're asked, this life in all of its years and all of its decades will only equal a small portion of what we'll remember. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, قَالَ كَمْ لَبِثْتُمْ فِي الْأَرْضِ عَدَدَ سِنِينَ قَالُوا لَبِثْنَا يَوْمًا أَوْ بَعْضَ يَوْمٍ فَاسْأَلِ الْعَادِّينَ. Someone will say, what's the number of years? How many years did you remain in the earth? It will be said, we remained there maybe a day or part of a day. Ask those who count. The cyclical nature of life can sometimes make us cynical. It can make us think that life is futile. But as Muslims, we take that time out to strive for spiritual excellence, to allow ourselves respite, to allow ourselves a chance to spiritually transform ourselves through that prayer, through i'tikaf, through the fasting and the charity that we do in that month. On March 2nd, we here at the Islamic Dawah Center are hosting an all-day course to prepare ourselves for that sacred month of Ramadan. We'll be covering the spiritual dimensions of fasting along with its rulings and the rulings on charity and prayer and other acts of worship pertinent to that month of spiritual transformation. We look forward to seeing all of you there. We hope that you'll join us so that we can learn together how to make the most of the month of Ramadan. Ramadan Mubarak, and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.